Hey, what's good? Alright, I'm back with more hockey. This time I got the $11.99 10 packs from Target. Just noticed this is a little bit more than the basketball. Like, I think the basketball is like, what, $7.99? At least, I think I've seen it in the past for $7.99. Could be wrong. But, yeah, 10 packs. It's got the upper deck from last year, it looks like. And I think this is an MVP. I think the rookies from last year were Elias Patterson, or I'm sorry, Peterson, Carter Hart. So maybe there's some of those cards in there. And I've always struggled to open one of these. This is like the only Fairfield product that I have trouble with, so bear with me. Alright. Oh, okay, so I got a jumbo pack. Oh, peachy, not sure what year that is from. Alright, so it's pretty well equipped with interesting packs, a lot of stuff that I've never opened before. Artifacts 2016-17. I think I've opened some of these before. I forgot whose year this is. It'd be McDavid's, probably. Can't remember. Sorry if I don't remember the years for a lot of these guys. Oh, Peachy, 2002-3 season. Wow. Jumbo. Interesting. So it got a score. Bilingual, so this is kind of like almost like OPG, English and French. Upper Deck Series 2, 2016-17. So pretty nice stuff. Let's see. Let's open this one first. It's one of those flimsy packaging. It's like so cheap. There we go. I think I used to open more football cards with those kind of packages back then. Alright, so here we have the first cards. This is 91, by the way. I don't know a lot of these guys. Rob Blake, I know who he is. I know this. I remember this guy too. Brian Banning, Brian Mullen, Sean Burr. Wow. Wow, talk about old school, the Nordiques. Okay. I don't know what to open. Maybe the Peachy. 9 cards. Packs with a relic card contains 8. Oh. Okay. Look for Patrick. I just learned that it's actually a Raw, not Roy. So. Very recently. Oh my god, look at that design. Jeez. Okay, so we got a prospect, Camille Pyros, the Thrashers. Wow, it's old school. Jeremy Jagger, I think he's still playing in the NHL. That's crazy. Since like 1996, 97 or something. Wait. It's not the same guy, is it? How come it says 1991? It can't be the same guy. I don't know. It's way over my bedtime, so. Thought I recognized some guy with the same name still playing in the NHL. Drafted in the 90s. A lot of guys from the Thrashers. Alright, so what is this? Hometown Heroes, Ryan Smith. Hey, I recognize that name. Okay, pretty cool. A little foil there. Got the Canadian leaf on the background. It's a pretty nice car. Prospects. This guy. This is pretty rare for me to open hockey cards, guys, so. Let's see. Oh, thought I got stuck. Never mind. And a flimsy checklist. That design is really interesting, not gonna lie. Alright, gonna open artifacts next. So, pull NHL Legends, Stars, and Rookies. That's all it says. And of course you can possibly get autographs and stuff. And of course they're all stuck. Alright, so maybe I haven't opened this before. This looks different. Joe Thornton with that beard. And the Sharks. Chris Letang. Michael Camilleri. Gustav Nyquist and Aaron something. Gosh. These are, remember Upper Deck? I think the basketball 90, 91, 92 I think it was. It was kind of hard to open. Corey Schneider, Patrick Sharp, Taylor Hall, and Braden Hulby. Alright, so what are these? Okay, let's open these up. So these are Series 1, these are Series 2. Interesting. Man, they're kind of stuck here. Jimmy Hayes, Wayne Simmons. Trying to make sure there's no cards stuck in the back. Tyler Johnson, Sidney Crosby, Mike Smith. Ooh, look at this unis. That looks pretty cool. So nothing there. Okay. Canvas, Devin Dubnik. By the way, these canvas cards, they kind of have to feel like, if you guys remember Topps Turkey cards, yeah. And also the Diamond Kings baseball. Young Guns, Pavel, oh shoot, I can't pronounce that, I'm sorry. Hey, Kyle Clifford. Alright, going with Series 2 packs. This photography on these cards, it's just amazing. You know, so the quality of the cards is like 10 times better than Panini, in my opinion. AJ Green rookie. It's one of those O-Pee-Chee ones. Brian Little, There's a mosquito or fly flying around, guys. I'm sorry if you guys seen it, and it's kind of distracting. Alright, so no Young Guns or anything in that one. Gonna open MVP. $18.19, okay. I think I opened some of this last year. I'm pretty sure I did. Alright. Yeah, I definitely remember this. Okay. I think I pulled an Elias from one of these. Ooh, what is this? Player's credentials? It's like some sort of badge or ID or something. Entry level access, Travis Dermott. Looks pretty cool. Pretty nice. A rookie, Jordan Greenway. Just pulled the rookies aside because I'm going to do research on these guys to see what are my gains and my losses. Hey, Connor McDavid. Mr. McDavid in the house. Okay, that's it. I don't know if I skipped any rookies or not, but that's pretty much it for that one. Next up is this one. I do have a box or two. I'm not too sure. I think they're 10s, brand new 10s sealed. This year's 2018-19 Upper Deck Series 2. I don't know why I never opened them, but I think I was in the process of moving at that time. I move a lot, guys. I'm sorry, but I never opened the 10s. They're still sealed. Toffoli. I think I have one of his autographs somewhere. Sidney Crosby. Look at that photography, man. That looks sick. Look at that. Young Guns, Isaac Lundestrom. Yeah, it's probably the only Young Gun from the pile. Okay. And that is it. So for $11.99, you get all these cards. Yes, I don't know. It's not bad at all. I have to do research on these guys, like I said. I know who he is, obviously, but this one's pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be opening maybe some more later on. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.